log at 4B. Into the water and out over the peak. Shenandoah Joss and Anna Hesselquist.
Open training B.
Making their way now.
Not sure who this is quite yet.
And they're over the triple bar. Meanwhile, Bombay Ice just see Gray Hut.
Bombay Ice.
Taylor Dean in the tack, coming to the first water.
Taylor Dean, okay.
Into the water. And jumping the roll top.
I don't think my video will be of any use because maybe that's just a pom-pom. I thought that was YouTube. Or what do they call those? GoPro.